My name's Paul Merrill. I'm the CEO and owner of Casper's Ice Cream in Richmond, Utah. We're the makers of the Fat Boy brands. I'm the third generation operator of family business that started in 1925.
We've been having Fat Boys since I can remember.
Growing up, my parents always brought me here.
It's close to home and has the best ice cream in the world.
My grandfather started the business and started making his first products, the Casco Nut Sundae on a Stick. As the business transitioned to the third generation, we focused on beginning to market our products outside of Utah and the Intermountain West to where we're today marketing our products across the country.
I usually get the cookie dough shake.
Ooh, the chocolate malt. It's very good.
I got pralines and cream and it's delicious.
This is my favorite. This is brownies on the moon.
Caramel almond cashew. It's good. It's very good.
I just like the plain vanilla soft serve. It's my favorite. Pretty boring, but really good.
As I was finishing my education, I was also working part-time here at the business and helped my father build the malt shop that I'm standing by. We just decided that we wanted a place for the community to come and sit down, enjoy an ice cream cone or a shake, and buy some of our factory seconds to take home with them.
Some of the best ice cream in the world.
I'll have that right out for you.
I always get a different flavor every time, and their flavors are amazing.
We came out because they're the best.
We run a video now showing a tour of how the ice cream's made in our brand new facility on the other side of the malt shop here. We just thoroughly enjoy making yummy ice cream novelty treats for our consumers to enjoy.